If you're feeling anxious, angry, or overwhelmed, or you're just stuck in overthinking, your breath could actually be making it worse, or it could be the key to deep healing and restoration. So in this video, we'll explore a common mistake that people make with their breathing that can keep them feeling wired or depleted. And I'll guide you through 2 simple breathing patterns so you can feel for yourself how different breathing focus impacts your nervous system. Because most people think that breathing practices are a one-size-fits-all, but the wrong breath focus can actually make things worse, especially if you're chronically stressed, anxious, hot and angry, or cold and fatigued. So let's get into this, because the breath that you need might not be what you think. Most are aware of acute stress and how that shows up for them, like something happening on a bad day, handling an emergency, challenges arising in a relationship, or eating something and having an immediate reaction to that food. But chronic stress, many people don't even know how chronic stress is playing out in them because it's become their baseline. And they think that's just how it is. But it doesn't have to be. And how we actively and consciously choose to breathe can play a key role in shifting the myriad ways that chronic stress plays out for us, which can range from anxiety, ongoing fatigue, aches and pains, brain fog, mental overactivity, poor digestion, anger, irritability, frustration, and chronic illness, chronic emotional states, or just emotional overwhelm. And the reality is, chronic stress comes up from way more than just our thoughts. It's tied to your food, your sleep, your movement, and how you breathe. Quick nervous system basics. Inhaling activates the sympathetic nervous system, meaning it's invigorating, energizing, it's heating, and the sympathetic nervous system is related with stress. It releases stress hormones. Exhaling activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is relaxing, cooling, and restorative. So breathing with longer inhales can increase your stress tolerance if you're already grounded. But for most of us who are living with chronic stress, which is 75% of the world population, longer exhales are where the magic is, because longer exhales activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is ultimately what we want to do. Because when we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, we strengthen digestion, we strengthen our hormones, we strengthen our brain. Pretty much, we heal and strengthen every system in our body, our mind, and our emotions. So let's take Wim Hof, for example, an incredible tool that was designed for healthy, robust systems. It's not designed for systems that are chronically running on stress hormones. So if you're running on caffeine, you're running on stress hormones. If you can't fall or stay asleep without some nightcap of some sort, you're running on stress hormones. If you're constantly living in fear or anger, you're fired up on stress hormones. So focusing on your inhales is actually pushing your system further into imbalance rather than healing the chronic stress patterns. And this is where the water element comes in. Water focus is cooling, it's anti-inflammatory. Water focus is clarity and deep restoration. Water focus is inward, soft, and flows, which allows a general sense of ease that comes from trusting the unfolding of life. With water focus, we recharge and tap into our vital energy, all by focusing on longer exhales and activating the parasympathetic nervous system. And then our actions can arise from deep inner clarity rather than survival, rather than stress. You don't need to stay in parasympathetic mode all the time. But if you're stuck in a state of urgency, of drama, of constantly doing and being on the go, learning to empty out, pause, and restore is what your body is craving and what it needs for ultimate body, mind, and emotional healing.
Before we begin to focus on breathing, let yourself settle in, resting throughout your body as you do. And let your breath begin to slow down. And as you feel yourself begin to relax, let your eyes close. And let your breath slow down even more. And let your breath smooth out. Begin to feel your breath naturally expand into your abdomen on your inhales. And feel your belly soften and naturally relax in on your exhales. At the bottom of your next exhale, slowly breathe in as much as you can. And then let your breath naturally release on your exhale without controlling it or lengthening it. So your exhale will be shorter than your inhale. Continue to slowly breathe in as far as you can, and then letting your breath naturally release out on your exhale. And just continue to breathe in this simple pattern. Now let your breath become natural and begin to check in. How are you feeling now? Just be as specific as possible in how it feels in your body and how it affects the quality or the pacing of your thoughts. Now let's reverse this. Begin to consciously slow your breath down once again. And at the top of your next inhale, slowly exhale as deeply as you can. And then let your inhale naturally rebound. Doing this as gently as you can. Repeating your long and slow exhale. Letting your inhale naturally rebound. And continue with the simple breathing pattern. Now let your breath become natural. And once again, check in. What sensations are surfacing in your body? And how does this impact the state of your mind?
I'd love to hear how each of those styles of breathing landed for you, how they felt for you. Let me know in the comments. And because chronic stress has so many causes and so many symptoms and plays out through the 5 elements in so many different ways, use the 5-element quiz that I have linked in the description to see which of the elements are most balanced for you and more imbalanced for you right now. And that can inform you how you want to use the practices that I'm sharing here and any steps that you want to take in approaching your own health through body, mind, and emotions. And if you want to explore more possibilities in how you can breathe and exploring this longer exhalation, make use of my 15-minute water element meditation, where I take you deep into your parasympathetic nervous system for a reset and for deep hormonal and nervous system restoration. Like and subscribe if you're feeling me here. I appreciate you being here with me. I'll see you in the next video.